Are you rolling out Workspace ONE, Horizon, or one of the productivity apps? Chances are that your users will have many questions about it. You can proactively address questions and concerns through a frequently asked questions document. You can create an FAQ document in minutes with the Adoption Kits and Wizard tool. Let's see how. Let's navigate to techzone.omnissa.com/adoption-wizard. Here's an example FAQ document, which will be used as a template. Let's create one. We will begin by choosing a header design. I'll start by picking style number 2. In step 2, we'll customize the branding. Here we will insert the title of our document. We will use our company logo and the corporate color palette to get a professional look and feel. This will probably be in your corporate brand guide. Here we will change to our company colors for the banner and the text. Then we will insert our company logo. We have a color logo, so I would upload it here. Alternatively, we can insert a white logo here. We can include the Omnissa logo if we want, and we can customize the text color used in the header. Once the branding of our document is set up, we can review the content of our FAQ document in step 3. Our company is rolling out Workspace ONE to enable remote work with a focus on Boxer and web. Now, let's set up the Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub, Workspace ONE Boxer, and Workspace ONE topics. We can also add a custom topic if we want. We can then review each Q&A section. The questions and answers have been pre-written, and in most cases, we can use them as they are. In a few cases, we will see some red text. These are placeholders for us to add more specific information. Here in the Q&A, for example, we can add a link to the enrollment guide for Workspace ONE. We can go through each of the topics and review the default text, making amendments and additions. We can also delete a question by clicking on the Remove Question button. Once we are satisfied with all the topics, we can add any legal verbiage as needed. It is now time to generate a preview of our document. If we are happy with it, we can download it in a PDF format, or we can go back and make further changes. I hope you enjoy using the Adoption Kits and Wizard tool. Don't forget to look at the other Adoption Kit Wizard modules to create more assets for your end-user adoption campaign. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to useradoption@omnissa.com. Enhance the experience of your Workspace ONE and Horizon users with the Adoption Kits and Wizard tool.